So when you look at my videos, you'll see that they're broken into two main categories, photography and photo editing. Then each of those categories is divided into beginner, intermediate and advanced videos. So does that mean that if you're only a beginner, that's the only category you should watch? Are the others going to be so difficult that you don't have a chance of following them?
No.
Essentially, the difference between a beginner's tutorial and an advanced tutorial is the number of steps involved and the number of concepts introduced. I make these videos in groups of 4 or 5 at a time to give you a relaxed progression through the subjects I'm discussing. Photography need be no more complicated than driving a car or using the dozens of apps you flick through on your mobile phone. Remember the first time you sat behind the wheel or looked at your first smartphone? If you can work those, you can understand your camera, photography and photo editing. They are no more difficult than that. Give yourself time to learn and practice. How long did it take you to learn to drive a car, for example? And ask questions in the comments below, and you'll soon find that it all comes together quicker than you thought it would. Trust me, I've done this before. See you in the next video.